Hey, what's up guys? So Amazfit Balance 2 has recently received a new update which has brought some new features. They have fixed some previous problems and they have made some optimizations to workouts and how workouts are measured. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at the software version that this watch is running now. So if we go in system, go in about, so this is the software version that Balance 2 is now running 3.32.1. Now, the first thing that you'll notice straight away is that we now have this new highlight of different settings options. Previously, there were these two blue lines that would highlight a specific section, but now we have this gray box. Now, this is very similar to what we get on T Rex 3 Pro. I'm really happy about that because those two blue lines just look ridiculous on Balance 2. Another important feature they have added is the ability to change the text size. So now if you go in settings and scroll all the way down into accessibility, and here you'll see this option text size, go in here. So now you can increase or decrease the text size on this watch according to your preferences. They've also added additional controls in the volume control. So if you go in settings, you can go in the volume controls from here, or you can go in settings and then go in sound and vibration and go in volume from here. And now you will see that you can control the volumes for alarm, media, workout system and voice assistant separately. So you can go in here and change the volume level that you want for all of these individually. In sound and vibration, you will see another new feature here, which is in sound. So you can go in here and now you can set different sounds for alarm alerts, ringtones and notification alerts. So you've got this option available on Balance 2 now as well. Next feature that they've added is something that I personally really appreciate, and I've also talked about it in my other videos of Balance 2. And the feature is that now if you're on the watch face, you can just rotate the crown to go to your notifications, and you can rotate it down to go to your quick controls. Previously, you could not do that. If you rotated the crown on the watch face, it would just stay static and it wouldn't go anywhere. But now you can just from the watch face rotate your crown to go in your quick controls, change the page, go down and go through your notifications as well, which is something really cool. Should have been there from day one, but I'm really happy that they have now included this feature. But we still cannot go through the widgets or tiles by rotating the crown, something that they might add in future updates. Now, they've also added integration with third-party platforms like Training Peaks and Intervals.icu for faster data syncs on Balance 2. So if that is something you use, you would now be able to use them on Balance 2 as well. Another feature they have added according to the update logs is ski machine workout mode for accurate ski training tracking. But I've not been able to locate this mode in the workouts. Maybe it's hidden somewhere in these menus, but that is what the update log says. If you find exactly where this workout mode is, please let us know in the comments as well. And finally, the last feature that they've added is also the coolest one. So now if you go in settings, go in display, go in always on display. Previously, we had these always on styles where you could just change the always on style and it would not follow the default watch face. But now you can go in here and now you can go in style selection and you will see a few newer always on display styles. So we've got this one, which is great, shows you a lot of information. This one is also new, again showing a lot of information. And we have some really cool looking ones here available on this watch now. These would look absolutely cool as an always on display. So let's select this one, and if we go back, now we have this watch face, but if I turn on the always on display, we will get this display and it looks absolutely cool on this watch. Now beyond these visual changes, they have also optimized few background settings. So they have enhanced GPS performance for smoother and more natural activity routes, improved biocharge scoring and consumption logic, improved recreational diving with optimized interface. There is smarter navigation during workouts with improved waypoint and slope alerts, plus voice guidance, enhanced treadmill cadence accuracy for both max and average values, and they fixed other non-issues for better overall stability. So that is the new update on Balance 2. I think it's a fantastic update. It solves problems, add fantastic new features. Now there is one feature that I would really like to see on Balance 2, and that is the ability to take a screenshot by pressing these two buttons. It's currently not available. However, they are adding this ability on their other watches. So hopefully this screenshot feature will come eventually to Balance 2 as well in the future. So that's about it from this video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you have received this update. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.